What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Kicks back with another video, and today we're going to be bringing a restoration on these Olympic 6s, which are straight beat. I don't know what happened to these joints, bruh. But yeah, so jeez. But we're gonna do these Olympic 6s. So gonna be doing a repaint, cleaning, all that. So let me get to this cleaning because I don't even want to hold them. They're so dirty. But let's get to this cleaning process. Let's go. Okay, so I finished cleaning the shoe. There's still some dirt spots and stuff like that around here. So I'm gonna throw these in the wash machine. And alright, so we just got them out the wash machine and they're looking way better now. Only problem is like the scratches that are all up over here. Let's get a close up on that. Some scratches that are on this side. But so I'm gonna actually go and acetone. I'm gonna acetone this upper, like the white on the upper, because I have to repaint this anyways because there's some scratches on both sides. But the deep scratches over here, so I'm gonna acetone this. It's probably gonna smooth it down some, and then we can really get the paint in that white. But I don't know if I'm painting it today because I'm actually waiting for the Midnight Navy from Angelus to come in. So. And there's scratches on the blue here too. So I mean, I'm gonna be repainting most of the stuff, basically the whole entire shoe, just to make sure fresh coat of paint, all that. So let me acetone this upper part right now, so I don't have to worry about it later. And we'll see what it does. So. Alright, so I acetoned the white. Like the uppers on the white, and on this side it definitely smoothed out, but some of the spots are a little deeper than others. Like I know back here, I think this right here back here like the deepest one, so I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I know right here, the Midnight Navy part right here, I'm gonna have to repaint that. This side is actually not bad. I'm probably just gonna repaint this white right here, repaint the white, just the white layers right here, and leave the midnight and leave that alone. But if I actually like look at the shoe and be like, alright, I'll need to do that, then I'll do that. But I don't know if I'll do it on camera. I know I'll do like this part on camera, especially this part, because this part needs the most work for real. Alright, so I actually started painting. I thought my camera was on, but actually my battery had died, so I had to switch the batteries. But as you can see, I actually started painting on this side some, and you can see like this, like right. I'm not gonna touch up all this part right down here because I still have to repaint that. But I'm probably gonna strip this paint right here, right now, like this whole bottom part. You know what? Yeah, I'm probably just gonna repaint the whole entire midsole. But as you can see, like, it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm gonna show you guys me doing like 1 or 2 coats on it, just so no, but just let you guys see it. But it's definitely coming along. So let me get the painting.